So the first thing you're going to need is a Microsoft Dynamics account or an on-premise installation. If you don't already have either of these, you can sign up for a free 30-day trial, and that should be long enough to complete everything you need to do on this course. In order to sign up for the trial, it's quite straightforward. Go to microsoft.com/dynamics, and that will direct you to the Dynamics sign-up page for your country. And you should see this box here with Try CRM. So if we click that, so we'll say you're a sales representative. Now it will come up here, have you already experienced the Microsoft CRM test drive? Sign up for a 30-day free trial. So we'll click here. And fill in your details. So once we've clicked next, we need to create a user ID. And then we click next. Okay, they're going to want a phone number just so that you can prove that this isn't an automated system. So I'll go ahead and enter that and then click text me. So once you've received your code, enter it in here. You can opt in or out of their contact information and then click create my account. Okay, that's going to go ahead and create your account. Copy the details that it provides here because we're going to need these later, and then wait for the process to finish. Once it's finished, just hit ready to go.